year we decided to bring the message of Hanukkah, which is we light the candles, remembering the miracle that happened many years ago in the Jewish land of Israel when they found a little bit of oil that lasted for 8 days. And we tried to find a new way that was not yet bought in Aruba, but also safe for COVID. So we decided to do a car menorah parade. As you can see around over here, we have going to be about 30 cars. They all get their own menorah. It will be placed on the roof, and we will be driving through the island to our Hyatt parking lot. We will have a big menorah ceremony. And this is the first time that we had the opportunity to do it in Aruba, and we're very excited about it. People are very excited about it because it's in a fun way, in a safe way, and brings the message in a beautiful way. This is our 8th year celebrating Hanukkah in Aruba. But Chabad in the world has been celebrating it for over 30-40 years. This year, there's over 8 million Jewish people around the world, I think over 100 countries around the world that are celebrating Hanukkah with Chabad. So we're very excited. It's our 8th year. The message of Hanukkah is that the best way to defeat darkness, when you have darkness difficulties, is by actually bringing in light.
Fantastic.
Some people think we got to push the dark, we got to fight. No, the best way to win the darkness is by lighting up a candle. And this is the message that the Chabad, our master, the Rebbe, the Lubavitcher Rebbe, Rabbi Menachem Mendel Schneerson, his message was, let's light up the world with light, with candles and with light, and that will illuminate the darkness in the best way. So that's my message to Aruba, to the one happy island.